Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section simply scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are automatic, and because of that, we cannot manually change the date and time. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options, or 3 of them, up to you. And right now we can freely tap on this option, set date. After tapping, you will see this calendar from which we can pick the date you want to use. So for example, this one, tap on done, and it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time right here, just by swiping, change the time which you want to apply and tap on done. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. Here we've got also the time zone, so just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So of course you can enter the name of it or scroll just like I do, find it and then tap on it. So for example, this one, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here we've got the time format, and basically you can decide whether you want to use 24-hour format, so make this option active, and turn it off whenever you want to use the 12-hour format. Up to you, of course. If you want to, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switches right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.